Okay. In terms of IELTS exam and score, we need to know about how many parts in IELTS. There are 4 parts in IELTS: reading, writing, listening, speaking. In terms of reading, we have to solve 3 passages. Within these 3 passages, there will be 60 minutes. 1 hour you will be given. Within 60 minutes, you have to solve 40 questions. So out of these 40 questions, you will be given a score. And the score will be like, if you correct on out of 40, you will get a score on. And the highest score will be 9. Like if you correct 39 to 40, if you correct 39, you will get 9. If you correct 40, you will get 9. So our standard score, everybody wants to achieve the score, which is called 7 in IELTS. So out of 40 questions, if you correct 30, you will achieve 7 in IELTS in reading. Then in terms of writing, a student has to solve 2 tasks, and he or she will be given 60 minutes. Within 60 minutes, you have to solve 2 tasks. Within these 2 tasks, one task will be writing task 1 and another will be writing task 2. So task 1, you have to write 150 words. And task 2, you have to write 250 words. So if you write less than 150 or 250, then your score will go down. And if you write more than 150 or 250, it won't be a problem. So be remembered that you have to write 150 words for writing task 1 and 250 words for writing task 2. In here, the score will be 1 to 9. Writing a score nirbhar kore examiner er upore. If you write simple complex compound, if you mixes with simple complex and compound, then your score will be high. With these idioms, phrases, highly academic words, connectors, you have to use all of them. So if you follow the techniques, if you use all of them, then achieving good score will be in writing will be easy for you. Then listening. Listening is one kind of audio. Examiner will give you a headphone and audio will be played. Ekta audio play kora hobe এবং আপনাকে একটা কোশ্চেনিয়ার্স দেওয়া হবে, যে কোশ্চেনিয়ার্সে 40 কোশ্চেন্স থাকবে এবং এই 40 কোশ্চেন্স 4টা সেকশনস বা 4টা পার্টে ডিভাইডেড থাকবে এবং কন্টিনিউয়াসলি 25 to 30 মিনিটস অডিওটা প্লে করা হবে। উইদিন দিস প্লেইং অডিও, the audio won't be stopped and your answers will be written. আপনার আনসার্স যখন অডিও চলবে তখনই লিখতে হবে এবং সেটা কোশ্চেন পেপারের উপরে লিখবেন। সো স্পিকার কথা বলতে থাকবেন, ওই কথার মধ্যে আনসার্স থাকবে, আপনি কোশ্চেন পড়বেন এবং আনসার সলভ করবেন। এভাবে আপনি 25 to 30 মিনিটস কোশ্চেনের উপরে 40 কোশ্চেন্স এর আনসার্স লিখবেন। এরপরে এন্ড অফ দ্য listening test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers into the answer sheet, original answer sheet. একটা অরিজিনাল আনসার শিট থাকবে, যেটার এক সাইডে থাকবে রিডিং আর এক সাইডে থাকবে লিসেনিং। সো এই অরিজিনাল আনসার শিটে আনসার ট্রান্সফার করার জন্য 10 মিনিটস থাকবে। এই 10 মিনিটসে আপনি কোশ্চেনের উপরে যে আনসারসগুলো লিখেছিলেন এগুলো ট্রান্সফার করবেন। বাট বি রিমেম্বার, ইন রিডিং ইউ ওয়ন্ট হ্যাভ এক্সট্রা টাইম ফর ট্রান্সফারিং ইউর আনসার্স। আনসার ট্রান্সফার করার জন্য কিন্তু রিডিং এ এক্সট্রা টাইম থাকবে না। সো এটা শুধুমাত্র লিসেনিং এর জন্য আছে। লিসেনিং অ্যাজ লাইক অ্যাজ রিডিং। If you correct 39 or 40, you will achieve 9. If you correct on, your score will be on. And if you want to achieve 7 in listening, you have to correct 30. You have to correct 30. So after that, there will be speaking. Speaking is just like 15 to 17 minutes test. Within 15 to 17 minutes, an examiner will ask you different types of questions in 3 parts: part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1 will be personal questions like what's your educational background? Tell me something about your family. Who is your favorite person in your family? What's your favorite color? Like that questions. And part 2 will be a cue card. A cue card, you will be given a cue card, and on this card, there will be a head question. Depending on this head question, there will be some sub questions. So you will be given 60 seconds to prepare yourself. You will read the head questions and some sub questions and try to make some points, make some notes. And after 60 seconds, the examiner will take it. The original cue card will take from you, and he or she will tell you to talk, and you have to talk at least 2 minutes on this topic. So it has a part 2. And part 3 has a follow-up or discussion question. এখানে মানে mainly basically from cue card, depending on this cue card, part 3 questions will be relating to this cue card. So in follow-up, there will be 6 to 7 minutes. So these 4 parts, you have to remember that there will be 2 days exam. One day will be listening, reading, and writing, and other day will be speaking. So you have to face 2-day exam, and all 4 exam will be separate. Like reading 60 minutes, first will be listening 40 minutes, reading 60 minutes, writing 60 minutes. There will be no break. Continuously 2 hours and 40 minutes on exam. And the other day or day or 2 days before the main exam or 2 days after the main exam, it can be held. So speaking will be just 15 to 17 minutes. So this is all about IELTS exam and score. Don't forget that IELTS has 2 types, like general training and academic training. General training means those who wants to go abroad for job or immigration, and those who wants to go abroad for higher education, they should do academic IELTS. So academic and general training, in terms of reading, there is some differences, and writing part 1 will be differences, but part 2 will be equal. But listening and speaking, all will be equal.